Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to install the wiring harness kit. I have an F250 2018 model and we're towing it behind our Integra RV. We have a Blue Ox system and in order for our tail lights and brake lights to work, we have to have this separate wiring harness kit set up. So it's very easy. This is a Curt model, and it's a 58987 RV wiring harness kit for an F250. When you look online, type in 58987. If you're on Amazon, you'll see a picture of this. This is actually not the correct picture. It's actually looks like this. Has one big fat male female end, whole bunch of cable. You also will see that it includes the flexible split flex tubing to protect this. It's not included. So you'll see a picture of this. That's not what it is. Again, it looks like this in all actuality. Okay, so I went to Lowe's and picked up a couple of 10-foot sections of this flex tubing. This is 3/8 inch by 10 feet. It's only $3.50 per bag. I picked up 2 of them just in case I needed to have 2. So other than that, I think the instructions are going to be very self-explanatory, very easy. The zip ties did come with it. This little mounting bracket that will go on the front of the truck came with it, a couple of screws. And then there's a little extension, looks like extension cable that would go maybe from the front of the truck to the RV if you need it, but I don't think I'll need it. Other than that, I've got my handy pocket knife and a Leatherman tool here just in case. There's the box that came in, and you're ready to go. You might want to get a towel or a blanket to lay on, but on my 2018 F250, I'll show you right where it's at. It's kind of on the passenger side underneath. There's my spare tire, and there is what I'm looking for. So I'm going to get this undone, plug in my new one to it, secure it back to the frame here, and then I'm going to run it to the very front of the vehicle, somehow tucking it underneath all the framework nice and neatly all the way to the front, and go from there. So it should be pretty easy. I just wanted to put this video out there. Again, I have a 2018 F250 diesel truck. We tow it behind our Integra Anthem 45-foot diesel motorhome. Hope this helps somebody out there. Thank you very much. Bye.